This is Brandon Patterson.
Tell my fingertips, and won't be reaching out for you no more. But don't tell my heart, my aching break. Just don't make it understand. And if you tell my heart, my aching breaking heart, you might blow up and kill this man. Don't tell my heart, my aching breaking heart, I just don't make it understand. Breaking heart, we might blow up and kill this man. I said, don't tell my heart, my aching breaking heart, I just don't think you understand. And if you tell my heart,